The Edit Widgets panel is your command center for managing page content. Here, you can see every element laid out, allowing you to easily edit content. For example, to add an image, simply click where you'd like to place it and add an image widget. From here, you can access your media library, choose the perfect new visual, and save your changes. Click this icon to open and make changes to a widget. You can easily copy any widget or container with a single click. Once copied, you can paste the widget anywhere you need it. If you change your mind or make a mistake, delete widgets by clicking this trash can icon. For more advanced control, click the ellipses to open the widget settings. For example, this is where you'll find the visibility settings, where you can schedule exactly when a widget should appear. Rearranging your content is as simple as dragging and dropping content. You can move any container or widget to a new position to instantly change your layout. And don't worry, the undo button is always there to reverse changes. Finally, to get a clearer view of your page's structure, use the panel menu to expand or collapse all widgets, view CSS IDs, and more.